most challenging to planning engineer is how to integrate the bill of quantity in Excel and the resource schedule in Primavera software. So I can show you a simple trick in one slide. That is, you need to create your resource organization chart, or resource breakdown structure, then list all resources required for the project. You need to create all resources that is required to your project. Once you create your project in Primavera, then you will assign them on activity window. You need to assign resources. For example, for HCB well, you will assign a mason, for plasterer, for flooring. For example, I assigned a mason, and for painting, I assigned a painter. So you will have default duration, or you can enter a default duration. Then assign key resources by crew to all activities. Next, using this in the resource tab in detail window. Next, you need to create user-defined fields for unit group productivity and quantity under main enterprise in your Primavera. That is user-defined fields, quantity, productivity, and units. So once you create this user-defined field, you need to fill the productivity and quantity in your standard, the quantity in your Excel, or you can integrate using match and index or VLOOKUP in Excel and Primavera. Then you need to calculate units or efforts using quantity over productivity, using global change in Primavera. Under enterprise, under tools, there is a global change. So a productivity, when a productivity or a quantity is greater than 0, then budgeted labor units or effort. So the next thing, here is the results. As you can see, here is the result. Commit changes. Would you like log file? I don't need it, the log file. So Primavera software will calculate you automatically number of crews per day. So if number of crews is already obtained, I have to check the availability against total, for example, mason. So the number of masons allocated should be lower than maximum supply limit. So there is excess resource in my case, in my original Primavera file. Painter, for example, 27 labor hour excess on weekly base. I have to check on a daily base. That is on daily base. For example, a mason current project only mason. So mason, for example, maximum available mason on site is 20. So I will check against it. So it's okay. It's okay. If maximum labor availability on project size is only 10, let me check. If it is 10, so I have to find a solution. Here I have to find a solution. Or if the number of duration is 30, for example, or 20. So if the number of duration is 20, there will be a problem also. So